Welcome back to Syedyz Kitchen. Today, we will prepare tasty mutton biryani in Bangalore style. Let's begin with marinating the mutton. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon haldi, half teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per taste. Now mix it well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now, take a container in which you are making biryani, add 2 cups of oil. Now, let's add the spices like star anise, clove, cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon and jeera. Let's add the chopped onions and let it fry for few minutes. And then add some mint leaves. Once the onions change color, then we will add the chopped tomatoes. Now add salt as per taste. And close the lid. Let the tomatoes cook for few minutes. The tomatoes are cooked perfectly. Now it's time to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some green chilies and 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 2 to 3 spoons of red chili powder. One teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix all the masalas and add the chopped coriander. It's time to add the marinated mutton. Mix the mutton well, so that all the masalas are mixed with mutton. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And add half liter of curd. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil comes on top. Now let's boil the rice separately. Take water in the container and add few spices, mint leaves, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait for the water to boil. Add soaked rice into the boiling water slowly. And add salt as per taste. Keep in mind, we only have to cook the rice 50%. The rice is cooked 50%. We will strain the rice from the water immediately. Now here is the important step we need to do. We will remove some oil from the gravy. Also half gravy separately and keep it aside. Now make sure you only add half quantity of rice. Add some fried onions and some mint leaves. Then add the gravy which we removed at the beginning. Now add the remaining rice. Add some fried onions, mint leaves, and slowly pour the oil which we took from the gravy, like this. Now take a cotton cloth, cover the container and close the lid. Make sure there is no air coming out. Let it cook in low heat for 10 minutes. Our tasty mutton biryani is ready.